Alright guys, this is going to be a little bit of a different unboxing than I usually do. I'm going to be unboxing the Homedics SoundSpa Portable. I decided to get this one because I kind of am just somebody who loves noise. I don't really like being in a quiet room. I decided, you know what, I'd just go ahead and pick up one of these, because why not? It's got a timer, it's got 6 different sounds, and just figured, okay, why not? So this is all the stuff that it has. This office can get rather quiet, so I figured, you know what, why not just get a little cheap one so it doesn't sound so quiet in here all the time. And sometimes during videos, I like to have that noise barrier so you can't hear the stuff in the background. So if you do hear something like this machine, then chances are it is actually this machine making noise. Okay. So we'll go ahead and take this out. I actually had one of these. Well, had a couple of these a couple years ago, but what usually happens is like the switches on them they like stop turning for some reason. But they're so like small and portable, you can't really help but get one like it. Like I haven't found one that's like it before. There's not really one just like it. I I don't understand why I keep buying them, but like I said, they're just, when they work, they're just excellent. I can't describe it. Also, you can put batteries in it too. You just take this off like this, and it just comes off, and there's batteries that you can put into it. This one looks different than my other models, so fingers crossed that this one works a little better, but I'm open to anything. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this into the back. Alright, and let's plug this in. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so this is Thunder. I actually really like the sound of this. Now we have Ocean. Sounds pretty good. Now this is Brook. Sorry. Summer Night. Which I can't argue there, actually does sound like a summer night. And we have Rain. And we have White Noise. Which I plan on just using it on this setting. And it's got a timer for 15, 30, and 60 minutes. So you can have it together. And we'll just go ahead and shut it off. So yeah. So far it seems like it's going to work very well. So yeah, that is the unboxing of the Homedics SoundSpa Portable. Thank you for watching.